Okay, so we're going to talk about the Nissan remote today on your new Nissan. You have multiple buttons. You've got the start button, you have the lock, the unlock, the trunk, and the panic button. Panic button is very simple. Hold it down, panic goes off. Hit it again, it shuts off. Lock, unlock, trunk, pops the trunk. Now, when you want to use the auto start feature, you hit the lock button and then you hold this button down and the vehicle will crank up. Vehicle's running. You're still going to want to unlock the vehicle, get in the vehicle, actually sit in it, put your foot on the brake, and you always have to hit the start button before you put it in drive, or the car won't go in drive. Hit the button, now you're good to go.